Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to download Dropbox and sign up for a Dropbox account. To download Dropbox, go to App Store. After you have opened up your App Store, you can see a search icon on bottom right. Tap on it. Now type in Dropbox on the search bar. After that, tap on the search button which is on the bottom right of your keyboard. On top you'll see the app, tap on it and then tap on get to download the app. It will take few minutes to download the app. This way you can easily download Dropbox on your phone. To sign up, tap on open. You can sign up with your Google or you can sign up by tapping on a little blue tab that says sign up. Now you'll need to enter your first name, your last name, your email and your password. After you're done, tap on create account. Tap on I agree. If you want to save this password to use with apps and website, tap on save password. You can also upgrade to Dropbox Plus by paying $11.99 per month. If not, tap on cancel. You can back up your photos, share photos or a file, scan documents and access your files everywhere. Now tap on skip, which is on top right. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you would want Dropbox to send you notifications. This way you can easily sign up for a Dropbox account. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.